Hey guys, it's Brandon. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making different slimes. Before I start this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and make sure you smash that subscribe button. Anyways, let's get started. So first you want to add how much glue you want into a bowl. The next step is you want to get some glitter glue and add that to the normal white glue. Now you just want to activate the slime. This is how the slime turned out. I did make the same slime with the pink glitter glue, but you couldn't really see the sparkles that much. You could only see the colour. Next one we're making is fluffy slime. And then I'm just adding some foamy hand soap and some lotion. This part is optional, but you can add some food colour if you want. Now just activate it. And this is how the fluffy slime turned out. The next one we're making is just basic. That's normal glitter glue and just borax solution. Before I end this video, I decided to mix foam beads into the fluffy slime. For today's video, guys, I hope you really enjoyed making these different types of slimes, because I know I did. Please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you smash that subscribe button. Bye guys!